Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to make solid soap from scratch using the cold process method. Before we start, safety is very important. We'll be working with lye, which is caustic. Always wear gloves, goggles, and work in a well-ventilated area. Always add lye to water, never water to lye. Here's what you'll need. Olive oil, 500 g. Coconut oil, 300 g. Palm oil or shea butter, 200 g. Distilled water, 380 ml. Lye sodium hydroxide, 140 g. Essential all optional. Soap mold, stick blender, heat-safe bowls, digital scale. First, carefully add the lye to the distilled water and stir gently. The mixture will heat up. This is normal. Set it aside to cool. Do not inhale fumes. Melt the solid oils, then combine them with the liquid oils. Let the oils cool to about the same temperature as the lye solution. Slowly pour the lye solution into the oils. Use a stick blender and mix until you reach trace. This is when the soap batter thickens slightly. Now, add essential oils or natural colorants if you like. Stir gently, then pour the soap batter into your mold. Let the soap sit for 24 to 48 hours. Once firm, unmold and cut into bars. Then allow the soap to cure for 4 to 6 weeks so it becomes mild and long-lasting. And that's it. You've made your own solid soap from scratch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.